I will teach you the most amazing thing I've ever seen on computers. So what you do is you open Spritecraft. Wait, this is not even possible. So just to show you what this does before we begin, look at this. This is made out of blocks. So that's amazing. Okay, so let's see. I bet this, create blueprint. And let's just wait, load. There. Look at this. This is made out of Minecraft blocks. Like, seriously, Minecraft blocks. Like, no kidding. 10,000 by 10,000 Minecraft blocks. Okay, close. Watch. Now let's do another one. If you don't believe me, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Like, seriously, look at it. This one's okay. It's not the best. This one's not the best. But this one, it still looks cool though. Like, let's see. Like, let's do my logo or Psyduck. Images. This one's cute. Okay, now watch. Browse. Look at this. Look at how cool this looks. Like, made out of Minecraft blocks. Like, seriously. This is the most amazing thing I've seen. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm ending the video today. Good.